What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Family, today I want to bring you guys my first aid kit, y'all. Oh yeah, it's my first aid kit, family. Family, my first aid kit is divided into about 3 sections. Yeah, it's divided into about 3 sections. The first section is dedicated to trauma. The second section is dedicated to airway management. And the third section pretty much comprised of over-the-counter medications, y'all. So family, I'm gonna start down here with the rolled gauze. I have about 3 rolls of gauze that I carry. I also carry the compressed gauze as well, y'all. Yeah. Family, I carry 4x4 gauze pads, 3x3 gauze pads, and I also carry a couple of oval eye pads, y'all. Oh yeah. Family, I carry 2 chest seals, to use to treat sucking chest wounds. I also carry the combat application tourniquet, also known as the cat tourniquet. Family, I carry the Israeli bandage, also known as the emergency bandage, y'all. Yeah, I carry one of those. Family, I carry bleed stop, and also carry hydrogel dressing, y'all, used to cover wounds caused by burns. Yeah, fam. Fam, in that first compartment, I also have a flashlight. I carry a Sharpie, folding knife, trauma shears. I also carry wet wipes, y'all, regular Band-Aids, and a triangular bandage. Yeah, fam. Fam, we're gonna move right along to the second compartment. In the second compartment, fam, I have moleskin padding. It's kind of used to cover wounds on your feet. I also carry a emergency poncho. Carry a Mylar blanket. Carry about 3 rolls of tape, y'all. Oh yeah. Family, I carry the N95 mask. Carry a splint. Also carry the CPR adult and pediatric mask, y'all. Oh yeah. Family, I carry an MPA, nasopharyngeal airway. And also carry the steri strips, y'all. The steri strips are used in lieu of sutures. Carry a couple pair of nitrile gloves. Carry eye protection. Yeah, fam. So that's the middle compartment, y'all. Moving along to the third and final compartment, y'all. I carry a stomach relief, anti-diarrheal, over-the-counter med. Basically a generic Pepto-Bismol, y'all. Also carry ibuprofen. Carry Benadryl tablets, fam. Carry triple antibiotic cream, Rolaids. Carry chapstick, y'all. Also carry eye drops, fam. Carry alcohol preps. Now carry a syringe, y'all. Yeah. You can use a syringe to irrigate a wound or irrigate, someone's eyes, y'all. So that's it, fam. That is it. That is my first aid kit, y'all. Yeah, that's my first aid kit. Fam, but I can't be in this garden by myself, y'all. I cannot be in this garden by myself, fam. Family, so I bring you the Savage Axis 2 bolt action rifle, chambered in .308 Winchester, fam. Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. Check it out. Family has the True Glow Centra first focal plane optic. Oh yeah, fam. Check it out, y'all. Makes for a nice entry-level hunting rifle, y'all. Oh yeah. That's a Savage Axis 2 bolt action rifle, chambered in .308. Oh yeah, fam. Fam, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate all the support, fam. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.